Model 2018 VAUXHALL Vivaro TRAFIC 2 Diesel 1.6CDTI BiTurbo 125PS Sportive H1D cab body, silver, factory-fitted crew cab mileage, 148,976 MOT. The 13th of March 2024 engine, 1598 cc 1.612PS BiTurbo S, SC transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, none runner, timing chain has snapped. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. This has recently had £4,000 spent on a brand new turbos EGR cooler, new discs and pads all around and brand new tyres. This is a very well-maintained factory-fitted Vivaro Crewcab. Unfortunately the timing chain has now snapped. Typical man facepalming condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van.